Welcome to Forex.com. In this video, I'll walk you through how to deposit funds into your trading account. Step 1. Log in. Once your account is verified, you'll receive an email confirming it's ready for funding. Go to Forex.com, click Login, and sign in through My Account, Web Trading, or the mobile app. If needed, reset your password by clicking I forgot my password. Step 2. Access the funding section. After logging in on the platform, click the Funds button next to your name. Select Add and you'll be redirected to the My Account portal. On your dashboard, click the green Fund button. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Forex.com supports local currency online transfer, Visa, and MasterCard debit credit cards, Skrill and Neteller wallets, and bank transfers. Card, Skrill, and Neteller deposits usually appear within 30 minutes. Step 4. Confirm funds. Your deposit will appear as cash balance in your dashboard and on the platform next to Available to Trade. Step 5. Start trading. Choose a product from Browse Markets or My Watch List. Click on the icon, select Place Trade, and choose your order settings to get started. Need help? You'll find the access instructions for all platforms, including MetaTrader if applicable in your email. Also review details of our 20% welcome bonus, where you can earn between $50 and $5,000. T&Cs apply. If you have questions about funding, our sales and support team is ready to help. Thank you for choosing Forex.com.